What's the difference between a mother title and an individual title? Many first-time buyers ask this question. A mother title is the original title that covers one large piece of land. When that land is legally subdivided into smaller lots, each lot can eventually have its own individual title. An individual title identifies one specific lot instead of the entire property. If you're buying a subdivided lot, ask the developer about the current title status and the transfer process. Some projects are still in the process of transferring from the mother title to individual titles, depending on the development stage. Always review the documents carefully and verify the information before making any payment. Understanding the title status helps you know what to expect during the buying process. The more informed you are, the more confident you'll feel when investing in property. Follow TerraNest PH for simple property tips that help Filipinos make smarter land investment decisions.